ये भाजी कैसा है, कड़वा है, खा के देखो. ऐसा बिहेव करा. 5 क्वेश्चन आहेत तुझे, पहिला पडलास आपला, लवकर.
अरे नाही लिखत आहे खरंच. अरे नाही होत आहे खरंच. अरे नाही हो रहा है मेरे से. ओ नाही.
एवढं त्याला परीक्षेला घाम नसेल कुठला.
Hello. We are here to introduce what is Paushala. Perfect?
Yes.
You want to start?
Yes, we can't start Pausada without my sous chef Rajesh Kartapandi.
That's our sous chef, Rajesh. Always been the first raindrops. You know, when the mud is wet, you can smell the soil. That's always been the first very fond memory of Pausada.
I mean, the ingredients from like what you call the forest greens, which is not, it's rare, but it doesn't travel well. That's why you can't see them in the market very often. But those are the ingredients that we are kind of showcasing in this menu as well.
आलागढ़ मेनू पहले से प्री प्लान रहता है, तो उसके हिसाब से वो प्लान के साथ वो पूरा डिश रेडी होता है. और टेस्टिंग मेनू में स्पेसिफाई सीज़न वाइज नया इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ नया मार्केट से लेके आते हैं. फिर उसके साथ तो फिर टेस्टिंग के साथ पूरा न्यू स्टाइल के साथ वो सब रेडी करते हैं.
Unada was not just a part of Maharashtra that we brought forward, we also brought our childhood out, right? Things we ate, the things we experienced. Now with Pausada, when we were deciding that we should do another tasting menu, Unada was the easiest option to have, but we decided let's do with Pausada because it is a land that we've not explored, right? Because Unada is an extension of our childhood. Pausada is not. It is a whole new region that we've personally not explored. We've eaten a couple of dishes. It took us time to actually plan this first, source out the correct ingredients, get the taste right. So that's why it took a while to plan Pausada.
I mean, all of it. So all the experience that I have from all over the place has come down to doing something new and crazy with this menu. Yeah.
हाँ, बेसिकली ये है जो इसको मराठी में कंटोला बोला जाता है. बेसिकली करेला, स्मॉल करेला, तो इसके अंदर थोड़ा सीड्स और वो बहुत थोड़ा सा बिटर और हार्ड है. तो इसके वजह से वो थोड़ा सा ये डिश बनाने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम जा रहा है और थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग आ रहा है ये सब. तो ये डिश बनाने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम जाएगा.
So Unada was a memory, but Pausada is a discovery.
There is one dish we kept on doing and it's not sitting right. Finally, after I think 10-11 trials, we got it.
जो फॉरेस्ट ग्रेन्स है जो ज़्यादा करके बारिश के टाइम में मिलता है, तो वही अभी जो थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग है वो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं.
This time I want you to feel those veggies, understand the culture, understand Maharashtra in depth, not just like a superficial layer. Understand the reason we use these veggies, understand the reason we use those flavors. That is what I want people to experience with Pausada.
Efforts
And the hard work that the whole team has put in. Anything else?
The details that we've tried to capture
And the flavors.
and the flavors.
It's hectic. Doing both together becomes very hectic. Doesn't matter how much ever you plan, there's something or the other that goes completely in the opposite direction.
Yeah, we're very excited for you to come and try our tasting menu. The menu is going to be released very soon. Yeah, we're very excited. We're very excited to bring this for you all. There's a lot of hard work, a lot of driving around, a lot of sourcing, a lot of energies have gone in this. Not just me or Rajesh or Akash. We have a whole team who's very excited. We're all excited to come and host this for you all. So please come.
Please come.
please come.
He said it.